morning, sons. Today I am going to install this steering wheel control with Android. Here I am going to give an installation video as well as a demo for the fitting of the steering wheel with Android stereo. This is the package giving with the stereo. This is steering wheel control and this is the canvas box. This canvas box have 5 wires. One is this black one is called ground, and this is called battery positive, and this is ACC, and this yellow this is orange wire called illumination, and this is key 1 and this is key 2. This we have to connect to the back side of the stereo. Normally our stereo back side we have all these wires. Just connect those wires to the stereos. I will show you how I connected. If you remove an Android stereo, you can see these wires. In the Android stereo, you can see the key 1 and key 2 etc. wires. Just connect this canvas box to the respective wires like key 1, key 2, ACC, black for ground, then yellow with illumination, and then lastly illumination, and that battery power. All those connected. While all those connection is success, then just put the stereo back to the stereo zones. Okay, I just connected and placed the frame. Now I am going to install the steering wheel over. Actually this is a 2040 above cars. This is the steering wheel mainly for trendline comfort line. Now I am going to install over here. Actually you can see in the back side there will be a tape. We have to remove this tape and then paste over it. Okay, now I am not removing, this is just a demo. Okay, now I am going to install. Okay, this is the look of the final look of the stereo and steering wheel. Then I am going to give a demo. Actually we have connected the canvas box. Now we have to search for the application called steering wheel key. You can see the app called steering wheel key. Just press over here. First time you have to select this mute button continuously. Okay, then you can see the app icon will come. Then you have to select the mute. Okay, then okay, then select, then press the volume up button, increase button, then select volume increase button. Simultaneously we have to do all the, we have to sync all buttons like this. Now next. Okay, next we can see over here. Yes, next. Then previous. Okay, then previous. Okay, now we have to sync the second side. This is the volume. No, this is the phone call button. Okay, now we have just got phone button. Then navigation button. You can search and see the navigation button, and voice button. You see the voice button. Yes. Then another one is called mode button. Okay, mode button. Okay, then final one is home button. Home button. Okay, now we synced all those keys and you have to save, then only it will be synced. Okay, now it is saved, and if you open the steering wheel, it will be shown like this. Now you can check whether it will get okay or not. Volume button. Now the volume is increasing, volume is decreasing. Next we can, next. Now it is going. Previous it is going. Then for call button, I didn't synchronize the phone, so it will not show. The navigation, you can see the navigation. Then voice button, Google Assistant button came. And then mode. The mode, it will go to music, video, like that. Okay, this is the overall look, and if whenever you press the button, it will show that button light, and it will be automatically off after 5 seconds. One more thing, we have to fix this over here. I didn't fix it so as to explain you how to. Actually, this is I will show. Whenever you purchasing the steering wheel, you have to remove this, then only the battery will be worked. And if you want to remove the battery, I will turn on here. You can see a buckle. Just adjust over here, and in back side you can see 2 buckle. Okay, now you can simply remove the battery. Here we can I will show. After fixing also, you can easily change battery. This is the battery. Actually, it is YCR2450. If your battery got failed out, you can change the battery. Minimum, I will assure that it will continue up to 1 year. Okay, now I inserted the battery, and also I fixed this silver point. Then only it will looks good. Now it is a clean finish. You can see it look like a Highline model. Everything is perfect. Okay, then I will show one more model. Actually, this steering wheel also I need to notify you. This is for the 2009 to 2030 model Trendline and Comfortline model cars. We can use this type. Here also we have a clip over here. In this, battery is enabled. You have to remove this battery and remove this clip, and then insert, and it will be okay. You can see the button light. Button light will blinking like this. Here also button light will be synced. Okay, I think I have given all demo regarding steering wheel control for 2009 to 2013 cars, and also 2040 to 2021 cars. It is very easy to install. Maximum 15 minutes works only. If any doubt, you can call me at any time. I will help you out in installation and working and everything. Okay, thank you.